Okay, so the deal is we've got a large helium balloon that will inflate to about 7 foot in diameter when we launch it. We'll be filling the balloon down yonder. Inside the payload, we have a few things. This right here is a homemade ham radio. And if somebody can just hold on to that, Peter, if you would. So this radio was built by that gentleman right there in the white hat. Don't be modest, his name's Terry. This particular antenna has a 66-foot wire that's hanging out the bottom of the package, and it is relaying a Morse code beacon. And we anticipate, we hope to have people as far as Europe being able to hear the signal. It's a very low power radio, just more of a ham radio experiment.
How much oomph? How many milliwatts or watts?
1.9 watts.
Nice.
This right here is a high altitude GPS, rated above 60,000 feet. Most commercial GPSs you buy in the store aren't designed to go to the heights that we are expected to go. So this is a special GPS that is rated just for that altitude. Down below this layer, if you want to kind of peek over, we have an everyday off-the-shelf prepaid cell phone, thanks to Boost Mobile. This has got a GPS on board, and we'll be uploading coordinates to the website, to a website for us to track. We have an everyday off-the-shelf Canon PowerShot digital camera, which will be the camera that is responsible for taking all of our digital pictures this afternoon. So that's the payload. It weighs about 4.5 pounds, and we expect to reach 90,000 feet in about 3.5 hours.
Does it have a parachute?
It does. The big orange parachute you see right over there. Okay. The balloon is going to expand when it gets to altitude. It's going to reach close to 20 feet in diameter. So if you can imagine a balloon going from 7 feet to 20 feet when it gets to altitude, at that altitude it'll burst and shred, and then the payload will begin to fall back down to the earth, thanks to our parachute. Okay?
Right. May I add 2 things?
Sure.
There are 2 primary objectives for this mission. The first and primary objective is to get on the edge of space where it starts becoming dark and take as many pictures of the Earth and the Earth horizon as possible. Nice. We're going to be taking pictures once every 10 seconds, so we'll get a wide variety of pictures from that altitude. That's the #1 objective. The second objective is there's a real low power radio. It's only 1 watt. It's like a whisper. When it's up 90,000 feet, 17 miles up, we want to be able to transmit off as far as we can. We've sent information out to all the ham operators to listen to that frequency. They hear it, to send Marshall and the designer of the radio an email message saying, we heard it this loud. It's like saying, hello, and somebody in Russia says, hello, if you can imagine that, from that distance with that small of a signal. So that's our second objective.
So everyone who's taking pictures and video, thank you. I will ask that you